Alexia from Hilltop Signs and Graphics, and today I'm going to show you how to professionally apply your vinyl decal.
Before we get started, you will need 85% alcohol solution, masking tape, scissors, and a felt tip squeegee. Start out by cleaning the surface with the 85% alcohol solution, making sure it is clean of any dust or debris. Once you've decided on the position of your decal, keep it in place by taping down the top corners to the surface, but don't remove the backing of the decal just yet. Next, lay a strip of masking tape vertically in the center of the decal onto the surface. Remove the positioning tape from the corners. Now, pull half of the decal away from the surface and peel off the backing until you get to the tape. Carefully handling the exposed decal, cut the backing along the masking tape hinge. Apply your decal by pressing your felt tip squeegee at a 45-degree angle against the surface, beginning at the center of the tape and pushing outward. If you notice any bubbles, gently pull up the decal and continue to apply pressure outwards. Remove the masking tape from your decal. Remove the remaining backing paper from the other half of your decal. Squeegee the remainder of the decal to the surface, starting from the center, pushing outwards like before. Then, slowly remove the application tape. When applying high-tack vinyl, post-heat your decal after application, then use a rivet brush to gently work the material into the surface. Now you're ready to professionally apply your vinyl decal.